What's up guys, it's Desert Bug out back with another video. Now this one is a half scale of the HK USP. However, I've seen two different versions out there. There's the more higher end, more detailed version, or more realistic version, and then there's the cheaper, kind of unrealistic version. This is the cheaper unrealistic version. So just wanted to show you guys what the really lower end ones look like. I had the chance to get a higher end one, but I drug my feet and missed my chance on that, and now it's sold out, so I'm kind of kicking myself in the butt for not getting it. But if I see it again, I'm definitely gonna get it, because you know I can't have a miniature little gun out there that's not in my collection. So anyways, so this one I got it off of eBay. I can't quite remember how much I paid for it, but it wasn't that expensive. I think it was like 20 bucks or so. But so this is what it looks like on the back of the box, front of the box. The front of the box has a picture of an actual HK USP. But let me show you what's inside. Okay, so the one I got is the chrome version. It's just all chrome. Came in this cool little box. It did not have a silencer or suppressor. Silencer. It didn't have one, and right here it had a little screwdriver, like a eyeglass repair screwdriver keychain type thing, but I took that out and I don't know what I did with it. Anyways, so this is how it comes. It did come with dummy rounds, a couple of them, not sure how many, a couple of them, and I think like 4. It is metal. It's all metal. It seems like it's bigger than the other half scale ones, but I'm not sure if the HK USP is actually a big gun. It might be. So if any of you guys know, leave a comment down below and let me know whether the HK USP is actually a pretty big gun in real life. I'm hoping it is, because then it'll kind of validate the size of this thing. But all chrome. I mean, it's got a little bit of marking on it. It says USP, Universal Self-Loading Pistol, and then it's got a little logo here, CF logo. Somebody once told me that was a video game or something, so I don't know, maybe it's like a shooter video game. But it's got the logo here, CF USP, same over here on this side. It's got like a couple of little markings over here. So let's see how it functions. Put the mag in. Looks like this is I think this is the mag release. I don't know how it works. Oh, I guess you push it to the side. This safety looks, it's super loose. But I think that's the safety. There's the inside. It's got a pole, I don't know if you can see that. It's got a little pole blocking the round from the barrel itself. So now I don't know if you guys heard that, but it sounds super hollow, because it kind of is. The trigger's, I mean, the hammer's pretty solid, but it doesn't look like it ejects. It's got a threaded barrel, obviously for the suppressor didn't come with, but that's all right. I mean, I didn't pay that much for it, so I'm not super mad about it. But what I'm mad about is that I didn't get the other one. At least if I would have had it, I could have did a comparison. But when I do get my hands on it, I will do a comparison for you guys. Let's see if I can pull this thing, pull it apart. Let's see. Okay, that's what the inside looks like. I don't know if you guys can see that. There's the barrel. I don't know, just doesn't look too realistic to me. It's got a big hefty spring. Put that back, and here's that pole that blocks the round. Not that, I don't think the round can cycle anyways. Oops. And it's, I mean, it's pretty simple inside. Super simple. It's just like literally it's hollow. Let's put this back on. Let's see. Yep. So that is it. The CF HK USP replica. But again, keep in mind, there's another brand that makes these little mini replicas, and it's much better detailed. At least from the pictures, it seems like it's much better detailed, and it actually says HK USP. It has the more authentic markings on it. So anyways, it's bigger than normal. You can still tell it's a miniature, but and it's got some weight to it, but it just sounds hollow. And I'm gonna open that up and fix that. I'm pretty sure that's a fixable problem. But there you go. If you like my video, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my video. Tell your friends about my channel. And follow me on Instagram at DesertBugOut. And if you guys see somewhere where I can purchase the other version of this in the United States, or one that will send to the United States, leave a comment or a link down below, because I really would like to get my hands on that other version. So and maybe you guys can help me out and find one for me. But anyhow, so thanks for watching. Stay tuned for some more videos. Peace.